case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case Energy Reserves Group Inc. v. Kansas Power and Light Company, which centered on the issue of whether a state can regulate prices in a heavily regulated industry and how contracts must adapt to foreseeable changes in state regulation. The case demonstrated that the state's power to protect consumers could potentially impair contractual obligations in such industries. The state of Kansas sought to regulate the price of natural gas sold within the state, which in turn affected contracts held by Kansas Power and Light Company, KPL, and Energy Reserves Group, Inc., ERG. The contracts between KPL and ERG featured indefinite price escalators, but the Kansas Legislature decided to impose price controls on the intrastate gas market. KPL attempted to get approval for a price increase, but their application was filed one day late, leading ERG to file a lawsuit against KPL, arguing that the company had violated the governmental price escalator clause. The lawsuit brought forth constitutional questions, such as whether the Kansas Act violated the contract clause by impairing ERG's contracts with KPL, and whether the federal enactment triggered the governmental price escalator clause. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of KPL, stating that the contracts were not impaired by the Kansas Act and that the price escalation clauses were triggered by federal enactments. The court decided that the Kansas Natural Gas Price Protection Act was constitutional and did not violate the contracts clause. The act allowed states to coordinate gas prices, with the legitimate public purpose of correcting imbalances in the market. Additionally, the court ruled that the governmental price escalator clause was not triggered in this case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class